Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026 Kia Carnival? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek, driver-centric layout with a sharp digital display. It also includes a central touchscreen with intuitive controls for navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The dual panoramic 12.3-inch displays combine a digital instrument cluster and touchscreen infotainment for a seamless, modern dashboard experience. The digital cluster displays key driving data like speed, odometer, trip info, gauge readouts, and warning indicators in a modern layout integrated with the dashboard design. The vehicle features a dial shift-by-wire gear selector for its 8-speed automatic transmission, giving the center console a cleaner, more modern look compared to a traditional lever. The steering wheel features a leather-wrapped design with a comfortable grip and ergonomic controls. It includes integrated buttons for audio, cruise control, and hands-free phone operation. The automatic climate control adjusts temperature and fan speed on its own. It also includes rear seat air vents to keep back passengers comfortable. The 3.5-liter V6 petrol engine produces around 216 kilowatts and 355 Newton-meters torque. The 2.2-liter diesel engine delivers 148 kilowatts and 440 Newton-meters. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning light. Automatic brake hold system indicator. Malfunction indicator lamp. Charging system indicator. Electronic parking brake warning light. Engine oil pressure warning light. Forward safety warning light. Seat belt reminder indicator. Icy road warning light. High temperature indicator. Anti-lock brake system indicator. Supplemental restraint system indicator. Electric power steering system indicator. Vehicle stability assist system indicator. Vehicle stability assist off indicator. Low tire pressure or TPMS indicator. Electronic parking brake warning light. Turn signal and hazard warning indicators. Lights on indicator. High beam indicator. Auto high beam indicator. Fog light indicator. Front passenger airbag status light. Door ajar warning light. Automatic emergency braking warning light. Exhaust system warning light. Low fuel level warning light. Master warning light. Immobilizer indicator light. Inattentive driving warning light. Lane safety indicator light. Liftgate open warning light. Intelligent speed limit assist indicator light. Auto hold indicator light. Exhaust system warning light. Low fuel level warning light. Charging system warning light. Downhill brake control indicator light. LED headlamp warning light. Auto stop indicator light. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.